This video is meant to test my new dual suction car mount by SmallRig. I just bought it last week and it arrived this week, and it's now attached to my windshield. It's holding up strong. Yeah, it's been attached to the windshield since like 8 a.m. this morning. It's December 19, 9 a.m. and I'm driving to work. It's traffic, of course. Okay, so my workplace is in Mandaluyong, and I'm already in Mandaluyong. My workplace is probably 10 or 15 minutes away, but it's traffic. I'm in Bonnie Avenue, and my destination is Robinson Cybergate Tower 3. Yeah, you can see it's traffic. And the sky is gloomy. It's like it's gonna rain, hopefully not. And I'm really in a rush to get to the office because parking spaces are limited and I need to secure one. There's another extension that I attached so I could get a longer view of the camera. But the car mount itself and the cage, they're both from SmallRig. SmallRig is not sponsoring this video, guys. I just prefer their products because they're proven and tested, especially in my workplace. We prefer those. I really need to get to the bathroom right now. Yeah, I need it bad. I'm near the Rotonda by Silo. According to Waze, I'm not very familiar with the place because I'm not from around here. Just work here, yeah. Okay, we're gonna go. Yeah. And finally, we are moving. I always hate that spot. It's always traffic right there. So for those of you wondering, I'm controlling the camera with the help of my grip. It's by JJC, and it's connected to my camera via Bluetooth. It has the trigger right here, the shutter button, which I press to record. It's really handy. You know, it just broke down like last year, lost one of its legs. It used to double as a mini tripod, but it lost one of its legs. So I can only use it as a grip now. But it's still handy, still useful. It's been with me for over a year now. And I always use it in my vlogs and my content. It's really useful because you don't have to go and press the record button on the camera itself. You just press here and record. Talk all you want. My concern here is the mic. I'm not sure if the mic is still functional at this distance because on my previous contents, the mic is just an arm length away. This time it's attached to the windshield though I think it's just the same. Yeah, I think it's the same. Yeah, it's the same. Yeah. I think it still captures what I'm saying. I'm just not used to talking without, something heavy on my right arm because that's what I used to record. Here in the Rotonda currently. Hopefully no more heavy traffic like earlier. Yeah. Bonnie Avenue, here I come. Oh, I'm really hoping my parking spot is still there. Okay, so we're moving. I can see that the camera is shaky. I'm not sure if it's because of the added extension that I attached to the grip or if the road itself is really shaky. It's kind of not holding really well. We're still in Bonnie Avenue and probably 10 or so minutes away from Bonnie Tunnel. Once we get to Bonnie Tunnel, it's gonna be, office is right there. I'm really hungry. I didn't eat a lot at home because when there's a shoot at the office or when there's a shoot at home, breakfast is usually provided and I don't want to eat too much. I'm trying to lose weight right now. We just passed Barangka Drive near McDonald's. Sometimes Waze directs me to that road and then makes me enter Bonnie Avenue through there. I don't know why Waze directed me to the very far end of Bonnie Avenue this time. Hey man, take it easy. Okay. See that the road opposite us is really traffic. I'm really glad that the road that we're traveling in isn't very much. And yeah, I see it. Pioneer Tunnel, sorry, I stand corrected. It's not Bonnie Tunnel, it's Pioneer Tunnel. I think I see it now. Okay, so we'll also be using footages from my dash cam. It's from Dalwa. We bought it like a month ago and it's really good. Records in 4K and it has both front and rear camera. It's really handy. The rear camera is better than my car's built-in rear camera. I'm really liking it. And it's also voice activated. Okay, Pioneer Tunnel. Yeah, keep making the same mistakes. Yeah, it's gonna go dark soon once we're there. Ooh. Let's go, guys. Oops, careful. Don't wanna get into any trap. Me first before you. Thank you. Oops, me first. Thank you. Let's go. And here we go. Darkness in 3, 2, 1. Going dark. I usually turn my lights on when passing through the Pioneer Tunnel just to be safe. Going through. And the light goes back on in 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, yeah. And here we are. Robinson's Cybergate Tower 3, my second home, ladies and gentlemen. Hopefully, there's still slot in there. I don't want to park in the paid parking. It's expensive here in Mandaluyong. Hi, excuse me. Hi, sir. Hey, where's the guy supposed to? Sana meron pa. Kasi kuya, pwede tayo. Sir, Summit po.
Summit, sir?
Apa.
Anong
Jota Mesis.
Hindi ano kayo, sir?
Apa.
Anong ano sa pangalan?
Jota Mesis.
Summit,
Apa. Thank you po. There's limited slots here, you know. So the guards have to make sure that you really work in this building. And I still see a slot. Thank God. Yes. Yes, I'm not gonna go to the paid parking. Yes, I still have one. No, looks like nobody's coming. Nobody's parked yet. It's double parking here, so you need to make sure that if you're gonna park, stay in the office. Otherwise, you're gonna block someone off and I'm gonna be really pissed. I lower my windows whenever I park because the tent kind of makes it difficult for me to back up. Okay. Yeah, I'm secured, baby. Yeah. So I'm now in the office. See you later, guys. I'll probably try and test the car mount again later when I drive home. Yeah. I'll be turning this off now. See ya.